Так, hi Akin, we're showing you what we've done with Unity app. We're pretty much there. Yet, go back. First of all, let me show you what device we have. This is our thing that we bought, the dongle for the Android TV. This is what we are using. Quite cool. And this is our keyboard. This is the keyboard that we are using. It says like a trackpad as well as a keyboard there. And instead of the TV, we're just using the monitor, but it can work with any TV with an HDMI. And of course, it has this Android tablet. So here it is, our Unity app that we launch. And the first thing, it comes with a welcome. You should need to come up with some welcome text. And you can either, if you're already existing user of Unity, log in, or you can sign up. Once you log in and you open it, we'll remember your login. Won't ask you again to log in. If you click skip, you're gonna go to the select your provider, and then you'll just see one or two free channels that we just go back from now that we offer. So we click sign up. So that's why I sign up. So in the sign up, with the registration, we just have a simple registration: your name, email, your phone number, and repeat password. Very quick and very big field, so that you can sit back on your couch and see them very well. So for now, we'll click cancel, and because we already have an account, we'll log in. That asks us to select a provider. Those providers come from the server. You can have as many providers as you want. You set up on the server. We'll select one of them. And here we have the list of channels. The list of TV channels that you can just scroll down and see how many you have. And then, of course, you can bundle those channels and sell as packages. And as well, all of that is done on the backend area. We'll go in and I'll show you one of the bundles that we already bought. At the top, we can click buy more channels. Buy channels. We have right now a channel. You can it's a sample image. You can put whatever image you want there, and you can say this is the standard package, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, three channels here: Press TV, Dove TV, and AIT International. And then, of course, it doesn't have any action buttons here because we already bought it. But should we not have bought it, we'll show you a bit later. There would be a button here to actually buy and go to the PayPal. We've already done all that. So I'll just go back. You can see this really nice, cool menu here between channels and movies. You can just move right here. This is our main UI. At the very middle of the screen, we have channels and movies. Here you have the Unity logo and the back button in case you need a back button. And there we have the settings. The settings are basically, if you press on settings, is a logout and change the provider. If, for example, you realized you put the wrong provider, you can change it all the time. Okay, so let's go into channels and start watching a channel. Some channel that we decide. Okay, this is the channel. This is how it starts working. This is the player that we've made. It shows the name of the channel. We can pause it, turn it off, and we can make it full screen. So if we can take it full screen now, it's now playing on the TV full screen. Okay, and go back. This is the advertising that we have, and this is the Twitter that we have. Right now you're not logged in. This is your first time. So it says to you, please log in the Twitter. It brings you, this is the only way that Twitter allows for us to log in. It asks to go to the authentication page. We'll just go to the authentication page and press authenticate. It will be in English, don't worry. And then as soon as we press authenticate, it takes us back automatically to our app. And now we have our Twitter feed happening here. And then if we need to type in a new tweet, just press here and start typing the word hello. Okay, now Wait, don't send. The cool thing is that we realize some people would be enjoying the tweeting like this, so they are watching the full screen TV, and they have a mouse and keyboard connected, so they can tweet it right away. But sometimes people won't have a keyboard available, just have a mouse. So we will help them by having this little keyboard button that will just design them, and that brings the keyboard on the screen, and then you can just add some text here as well, and then you can, you know, do whatever you want here, and then we'll send that tweet. Send it here, and in 15 seconds, that's how often we refresh the Twitter, it should appear at the top. There it is. Hello H. That's the tweet that we just made. So that's how we were implementing the Twitter. And now let's look at the movies. We'll just move right away to the movies, and it moves right. You can press on the movie right from watching the channel. And now we just have one movie, that the link that you gave us. Oh, by the way, for some reason that link is not working anymore, so you need to double check why that link is not working anymore. But like we created all of this information here about the movie comes from the backend, the picture, the name, the rating, all the information about the director, the writers and stuff. The description is just not filled in. You can watch a trailer. You can press here if you want to watch a trailer. It will launch a YouTube. And that will launch the trailer. We'll just go back from here. Yeah, that's the trailer. You can tweet the movie if you want, and that will bring in I like the film Ender's Game at Unity, the computer generated, the Android generated tweet, and you can tweet that as well. You can add some of your own text, and we calculate to see at this corner how many letters you have left. Okay, so we can tweet that. It shows us the sweet tweet. Yeah, it's sweet as well. Or we can then start playing the movie. Okay. But right now, of course, the link is not working for some reason. That's not our problem. The link was working before. It's just that the Bitgravity, for some reason, is not sending us the right link. You should check it out. But as soon as the Bitgravity is sending us the proper link, or that link is active, you'll see the proper video coming. We've been testing it for weeks now, and it was fine. You can see here we've implemented the time, so it will calculate how much time you've been playing the movie and how much time is left. Your standard controls, pause, start, fast forward, and reverse. And of course, also you can make it full screen. And if you want, you can also have a Twitter. That's one of those things we didn't know if you want to have a Twitter for the movies or not. We just left it here. We took away the advertising because we realized if people are buying the movies, they will definitely be definitely not wanting to see advertising. But maybe they won't Twitter as well. Here on the right, if they don't, they just go to the full screen mode. So that's basically the movies. And we could just go back to channels, and we are back in the channels. Boom. So that's pretty much the entire app. Again, the movie, just because we already paid for the movie, you didn't see the whole action of PayPal SDK and all of that. We'll prepare another video for you soon, because that is done as well, all the payment stuff for the movies and for the bundles of channels. But for now, I think that's pretty much the whole app that you were expecting. And of course, you can see the back end as well. That's all for now.